Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update iOS 18.1 and when this iOS 18.1 is released and what's new in iOS 18.1. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your settings and tap on General and tap on software update. Check for updates. Wait few seconds. So you can see here iOS 18.1 is available, so need to update. So what's new in this iOS 18.1? This update introduced enhancements to camera control, the ability to capture special photos and record phone calls and other features, bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. So friends, you can see here record calls on iPhone automatically when this update iOS 18.1 on your iPhone device. So let's start the update. So tap on update now. Enter your iPhone passcode. Wait few seconds. Update requested. So you can see here downloading start and it takes 59 minutes remaining, so wait few minutes. So friends, 6 minutes remaining, wait for 6 minutes. So friends, you can see here preparing update, wait few seconds. So friends, updating our iPhone device, wait few seconds. So friends, when update iOS 18.1, then your iPhone fix bugs and security issues and camera also. So wait few more seconds and updating iOS 18.1. So friends, you can see here our iPhone updated and now is in start mode. So swipe up and unlock your iPhone. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.1. So tap on continue. Setup later. So welcome iPhone, swipe up to start. So you can see here our iPhone is updated. So tap on settings. So tap on general and tap on software update. Wait few seconds. Now friends, you can see here iOS 18.1 is up to date. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to update iOS 18.1 and when this is launched and all the information about iOS 18.1, which is fixes bugs and security issues and camera and any other issues. So friends, if any question about iOS 18.1, so open comment section and comment on this video. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Bukhari Tech and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.